Minto Bwakire, happy Friday. If you're finding me for the first time, karibu ase group yeito ya masase na machuma. Asitogo chatwaina na chisemi tuara kwana mangana make. Insachinde tuara sigikani, insachinde tuomana, just like any other family. So onye koro mugeni karibu genda aligoro soma machiko. Teme kubwate machiko na litura nyali gokonyana. Wona? Lero ntete gukwanira igoro y'abantu batari go celebrate others, abantu mbara okonyora ntete gutumya omubwekano omuntu agochotebia omuntu mutang'ani ng'orega karankwani ndusie marieta inobaiga. Okay, omuntu agochoteba ng'aki nyakerario noncho ng'andu chigakimbiye bamenyete barabu Nyasaye nabasesenitie okorora ng'ambiye bamenyete obogima bwabo. Bono n'omuntu onde okogambia kwarorire onchong'ana na nyakerari mbuya bamenyete. Omuntu oyo omanya koiraniria ng'a nyakerari riraya riri konyakorari bwisika nyakerari gese bono abasacha abamurarete isika onchong'a tamanyeti yani omuntu agochiga compliment omuntu omanya ata ng'a ori ni omuntu orarete gukera omuntu jeru nkwano nando kero mugocha mwankwano ng'ori ni riraya aya omuntu mwana bw'omuntu gagochika okora enyangi orikire enyangi otoma amarube ng'aki nyarebe nakabwate enyangi tukogete orike enyangi abantu bano riri bakonya gokwana bamyate egesagane keriki arari buna abasacha isika tiga gesoke kegende musacha ori neubia nyuma omwana bw'omuntu gagokora edigiri gagokora university abantu bachikwe epati ng'agaki omwana onyarebere osomire yatasomete gese gasomere tu tachiti gosoma iga abantu abatwanyorerete abana ga America okonyora omonto abundisete abana baye egeswahili ga America abandi bagokwana ekegusii omwana agokwana ekegusii agokwanirwa n'abaibori bari berwete kubundisa abana ekegusii ng'anyarebe gaki duki mbuya abundisete abana baye ekegusii ng'a ng'ina no arenge nyomba peni n'abana baye bakoigwa ekegusii bagokwana buya peni natakoreti kende ng'ina omobundisirete abana yani omonto agochia omonto ase eng'encho ya endamwamu omonto agochia compliment omonto omanya koigwa ng'a endamwamu ekobwata eresponse yaye yaba buna n'omonto okoigwerete bobe insa chinde kero mwarorire abantu eng'encho abantu bare celebrate abantu ase bare because momaeti story y'abantu momaeti ase narure naichire goika ase naikire bono iga imbwate egari nkoendi egari yane omonto ate ng'a nyarebe peni na egari nengi yakoendi ng'a eri n'omosacha omogorera tamanyeti gose ncheng'irete loan ekero omonto agokwana egento agocompliment omonto onde gose omorochi omonto akobeka chibicha batebe ng'a ori no omonto ogwekora bono omosubati nare echiposti nkobeka omosubati nare ekero nabekire post yone y'omogaka onene ase Facebook because Facebook nabwo obogima tomenyete ng'a abantu bagopretend ebinto mbiri korerekana buya bakonya gobeka chibicha iga Facebook my friend omaete kero omonto nabwate story buna motoroche iga ntobwate chistory kere family yaye nebwate chistory ase kwarure nande kero mokondoraga iga Facebook nimbwate sisters nimbwate brothers nimbwate cousins nimbwate abairi bane barema nande video chingo chirusire nachira YouTube nimbwate abantu bakoruka my brothers and sisters lakini esabali yane gose abana bane gose omogakone esabali yane egere single handed buna inche peni na bongwenyi. Why do I say that? Ekero nakinete ekero okondora Facebook inche narenge omwana number 18 ase abana 21 tata gabwata abakungu bane abakungu bane can you imagine ekero okuiboru number 18 kwamanya konyora omochigo ichire ask yourself omwana omosinini kero naiborwe tunkwemanya nkanyora abachokoro bachire bono tata kambwate na mumuro oyo monene onyorera omwana bono tata kerako nari kurigeria ebinto agokora abachukuru bari in fact my niece ori twaibore tunere nawe yokomobwati nari ekero bachire gusii nari tata akogora chips abachukuru baye inki omogaka araganyere abachukuru bache amenya kororora agore chips ekero inumo robotambe tata omino tanya gokorengereria nang'aki tiragorera agorera abana ababaye chikwerende chips na into n'abana baye ekegori ekemo nande let us tukwana bumaene bwa polygamy totataiti kobwa because into ondete you're responsible for ibintu ngokwana ebintu no igwete na igwete ebintu biro bikoro kwa unspoken effects cha polygamy na unspoken effects cha divorce kale yarenge polygamy umuntu akunyoma abakungu abangeli mu buna tata alafu ababono balita abantu mbali mutabangete muchako bachi polygamist lakini mwenyorere mwaendere through divorce bono gobwata abakungu babere o abana yani toli na olibo mutangani lakini abana mbare enyombe eliende aga ige nyombe ende kwamenye konyora ngumusacho yo gago favor abana babande unabona Facebook kwere kwanyora umusacho yo ndumukungu yo kabere obekira abantu oli okoira abana Disney abana bali abwate no mukungu mutangani tanya koira Disney abasacha na arolire ga emyaka na abera America 29 years umusacha agutugo mukungu bwanga na abana ogenda Kenya gwe ngusoleto mukungu ebona aleta igabona mukungu yo gakonyora extra favors inchange sawe kwanere njebye kapeni ekera na abete myaka 18 ekera na chagete ko ngainia because yebukungo so mebuku nabona amanyete ngobwanjani bwanya saimboro kububwanjani ubona alikoro rumuchuyo obwanjani obwatata na mama na my step mothers gobwalinge ke Africa lakini kunya kwebuli na alinge bnebukwego teba mno umusacha anche mukaye na mukaye anche umusacha tindo chigento kende kiale koro kinga bayibuli abambancha ine at the time tinda understand rening ke usi tata tago kuna mama kimoroche na andrende mbaligo kisi mbaliko gobwata na magoko lakini tindo chikende kiale nge visible kiale koro kinga tata nanchite mama fast forward ekeno cha koboli mnanga ki bono mama nga kibono nga mwancha ine nga ngumuga ko ga kurerera bane fisi inginande lakini ekero na kinete what was modeled to me ndo tata akunya kuoma lyoka I'm like nkibona ge kumomani amenyete bosongocha nkakibona ko yani nje tindochi tata gagocha bagambe na mama igabaseke yani it was a crime one kerongo kinango tebe mne kerongo chakoba buone go ikanseke no mugakone uikankwane no mugakone nkabanga ngakimapema mbi yanchenchi binte so okonyora umuntu gakorera peni iga Facebook agoseka no mugako yote ngaya go pretend my friend to go pretend yekerorwete polygamous family abantu bakurwanirira umusacha abantu bakurwanirira ise yani umucyuri bono gwikira abantu umenya comment abayiri umenya comment abakoli emirimo you picture yourself as a child okwenyora umuchi yani abantu muri abange bono obwanchani ngotategeti obwanchani ngotategeti tato mwabamugorere chips alafu bono nande abakungu abakonyoro yo mabekira ali yo ndabekire gaga nando onye muri kwanchire no bumane nga polygamy negentekebe one day you will find out bona abantu bali bandi bamenyete bosongo into no tomenyete nyando chebere mama no ali nyando chebere bona kera nko ende nyando chebere ngo kamande ko enda chigotole chaye ingende tinga ingire chiombe tibu yani ogo itemere mubona urucho ogo itemere no manyete nk'abana bandi bamino ba wenyombe nke no bakali bosongo inki baho kora bosongo barabukwachi kuboli nangaki ntwale ko irurine twensi bosongo skuru kia security atomanyata ngabono bosiboli bundisa abana bawo kama bundisa abana bawo koruga bundisa abana bawo ko gosona chianga yani galenge so organized mbi yago kwana lakini kerongo internalize naligire lingo mwana musini niga nakumina nga kyubo gumo bwako ngaiga obo gimobo kongu in fact obo gimobo kongu bwate so much pain bantu bataitu kwanchira nanga polygamy is a painful thing bantu bataitu kwanchira nanga divorce is a good thing nando nditabasa ko bangai nanga bakungu ababane ngamba igwete ngamba arenge fairly treated tumenya ko chachi sibling one of my brothers late brothers I loved my brother so much. He passed away here 2012. My brother agantenga iko ba menyete buya mpaka mama agacha. Ke ngomo bulinga kigota apenda agantengo ekerbono mama minacha. Bono peace ekagenda. And you know what? It is true because another woman has been introduced. Ke bono bago sango musacha. Ke kero muntu bona akoira abana bayenga ki bone egoika ekero muri polygamous homes. Kera bono mukungu gatete kurwanirira abana baye. Although mama taikara stinchante bimnanga ki ngatato mino nanko yani ntukwane timanga na atato bugumabwane mpaka kera mama achire ga America na bero monto monene ngoku bimnanga ki what was happening it is a competition for one man. Let us not pretend okay tumanye go chano nyen cheating onye kindu musachone alafu musachone go chitiare ekera na amanyire ngo musachone go chitiare. It is not the same, because one of we are competing again for the husband. Let us not pretend ngaki we don't see the effects of polygamy. Polygamy is very painful. One ekera mo kondra ga Facebook injembo atege ntoke ku freedom of speech. I left home that particular night. I did not sleep in that home. I left because I was a happy kid. Now, and back in the day, I'm thinking like, I was wondering, but you know what? That was me. And that's why I don't speak on behalf of my siblings, because my siblings, their experience was different. But my experience, I feel it was like such a painful experience. What is this? You understand? Okumetinga bono India antabago chakoruga iga. Indi to chakoruga iga. Ekera na bete miaka 18 kanyoleke bande. I never went back to Ongwenye's home. In fact, I left one way. Na andenge ntokende ntuale kwenda tuchikorera our cousins. Nga kyogo kinobo gima obana bayibuli bane nkora boli mama. Nga kyogo kinobo gima otamaiti your cousins. Abantu bandi mwachirega iga America. Mogo kini abana mwetandre nechikamati, mwetandre na bamura mino. Tutaiti bana ba obamanye chi cousin chiae. Nga kyoko ogo kini abana batamanyiti first cousins. Nga kingo cha mpaka America na lingo cha konyora my first cousin. Nga kingo enda nyiri keke ombe kia bagusi ritu alikira bagusi manya konyora ngoyo my first cousin. Inki kia gerete tinae guli baganchi korda those first cousins. What was happening? It was culture, it was tradition, it was things at that time, but to me they were very painful. And you know, I grew up saying that, you know what, in Chentagete you are very peaceful, Tinta gokora konya mana no moga kone, Ntagete communication, Ntagete time na bane. I had it all planned, although I was saying, yeah, onyaba such a once in a wakale igona tata, tigenyo enyo me yebe. The man was a good father, but in my eyes, Tindo Chinga was a good wife, but in my mother's eyes, he was a good husband because he's paying school fees. So is money equating love? Is money equating affection? Na abanta bange mulega Norwete polygamist family. Most of you abuse alcohol. Most of you abuse your women. Most of you abuse your husband. Abantu bari echi product chia polygamy konyoro mwana orweto mochore polygamisti or a function is very rare. But you know what, people don't want to talk about it because it's like wonkunyo we are fine. We are not fine. They are my step sisters and my step brothers. Step one on two step. I don't plan to talk to them, and there's no need to go because they don't like me. They don't like me. I don't like them. Nobody. Nobody. We are all victims in this thing. So why do you want to have so much hate? Karamorocho Montago celebrating a key. Nyasayo onkonyi na rule na agulire galiani. Nyasayo onkonyi na nyoro mukambo at least yung anchete. Nyasayo onkonyi mukambo yo anchiro ngeira bana. You understand? One no automate peacefully. Omuntu menya go cha sense Facebook page ya omenya tanga tiago tuerera nga you are lying nga it's fake. Are we supposed to live for other people? Even can I speak on behalf of my siblings? Tingo one on behalf of my siblings because I don't know their experience. But for me, for those 18 years in Yolete, it was a bad experience. Ekaronko enda nyando chevere my stepsisters are in town bako ende school babegete bikoroto Kisi primary. By the time ngocha korusugu nyando chevere class 3 injuko irukisi primary class 4 na akumiringa nyigwete ngabosonge yenga iboneka like indingo cha korusugu. This is a painful story for me. When I remember how I used to feel, it was very painful. And you know what? I'm entitled to say that it was not an easy experience. Eka Roma nyetinge family ende nerega alia, ne family ende nerega iga. Oneta yota itachi ko tolecha yanya go sika ne chingiti. Oneta yota ita ire chiombe tibu. Ngo tageto mwano abo kugu 5 machi go kama chiombe. Abana bandi bakara ire. You are sharing the same father. I don't care what anybody says. The pain is real. And accept that the pain is real. And you know, if you know where you're coming from, you will know where you're going. Some kind of happiness. Mo celebrate. Tiago chaka kogukwane vinte bibe nga kantorole. Alafu bane keronko enda Kenya. Na chagete kuira na Kenya. Na nyora chianti chigo ntenga nga baba. Ngi nyumba yenu nero ya chaire. Ke. nga manyako baboli nga kiya chaire nga bosiboli nero chaire omukungu chaire ke inki mama ali go chaire. I don't understand those things. When people tell you such things and then you look back nga mwakagire nga muchemo babantu ke tata no yomo. We're in that family. Why were people thinking nga mwabosiboli nere go chagosira? Why would people think nga mwanyale benere go? This is my personal story and I'm entitled to my personal story. So ekeroko ndrango kwa na segete. I have seen the effects of divorce. I have seen the effects of polygamy. Iga America okonyoro montago tigo mukungu gaiga omotigera abana pi ogenda tali koligere libana for ampaka abana baenda chi college. Aba search aba gusiga ambaro ndigerereti emyaka 29 na bererega omo search walk away otigero muswati abana ogenda one way omenya ko endu urusi muswati onde kurukenyo muleta ga omunyoma kera munyomire wono chaka koba so in love ne family yende omenya gotiga e family y'abana babande Disney teyo ngakogicha ku child support tabwa ati nonye ne chisa kobera na abana. When you see us out here, we have gone through a lot of things. Don't think it was a bed of roses. And you choose to take your pain and turn it into happiness. Tata came to America twice and I sat with him kamawoli Tata. Why so many wives? Why so many children? And he told me nga enga kieli baba inero gyo katoma yetintunto itkende. Enko moboli nga kikwanyo lete mama. Sara umukungu mutanga ni gasirite nga kikwanyo meto yo kabiri nga kikwanyo meto yo gatatu nga kikwanyo meto. I can explain it. Why so many women nga karana ruete ga iganga achankarara tigamento monginonde nga achaga igankarara tigangento mento monginonde abangina ba commentereno. Are they at peace? Now if I flip this story around to forgive my parents or not to feel bitter or not to resent them, because you've resented your parents, you don't talk to your parents because of the things I just say. Lakini, let me tell you the flip side of that. The flip side, you give your children what you know. Inchebono tiganye kwanire inchebono. Fast forward na harad redende nchena achande kile na achire na nyorra bana ga America. Kile na nyorra bana ga America abana banu sako baboli umira bana bana okwane na baru abako gote ngombo mobwito brobo konguna mama tata gale iga they saying tata mwabata bwati emotion tata mwabata bwati feeling tata mwaba siji what abana babahito bono twanyorire ga iga mbaro chobo konguna boli na aroche Bono, ingi yeko gera abana babane rendi nche kinale ngo kaya na aroche nche bono ngo chako korera abana bane mba korere kiregento. It is because I'm from Nyandoche Ibere. Na arule Nyandoche Ibere, na achire Kisii, na achire Nairobi, na achire America. Nche bono bare no musiko Nyandoche Ibere. So what's going to happen? Igotingo chikwa abana bane ebinto biteyo ebinto byaba America. Nganchake kunyago ebinto mbiri ngekero mwana agosiringa mo time out ngekero mwana yani abana bane nko bakora bunaba gusiba Nyandoche Ibere. Do they like it? No. Abana babane every 2 years. Over the years, I used to send them to Kenya. Mbana kiba bategete batomukuru America baende Kenya bachikoberororo. Did my children like it? No. They are saying we that Kenya life there is no light. But every 2 years I used to send them there. Did they like it? No, they did not like it. Bago chagaiga America bana bane ekeronko boka maambi kwenda kokole biasara na barango ikabata chance. They need to know how to cook. Okay? They need to understand ABCD. Ekere anti abetegete favor ekero nyale bate so no nyini nche ndoche mna ninkeroche no nyina yo kagetenga wa keroche kubwa bayibuli bawo. Let me tell you, there are challenges that you are going to have na bana bawo because of cultural differences. So my children no ngebinto go ikabasibi kerongo kwana mbali kukwana. You understand? Ama chiko nali bina nchomo gusiko Nyandoche Ibere mbwate mwana abana bane batancheti. Chitatu mwana yaya. Chimyoro ko bachora mwana yaya. Nimbwata machika limbegete akogera na yaro kumwane abana bane mbanyancheti yaya bono na barabunta ite understand bina tata chite ko explain eli ngaki that is what was happening at that time. But tikero mokorora baswati bina into gosemokorora abantu bina into to gokole bintu gete. I want you to understand that we have a past and the past was not good. And if you meet my children today, they will tell you muna bono snacks inje mwane nkokora snacks once a week. Ebisuguti is not food. Ebisuguti birekera byalire. You understand? Tindiko goda nande. Wana bana bane bako nyangontenga bawo chakonyora bana babo nginyomba yabigo chakoba full of snacks. Na batebi nuganya monyora bana bayinu mubagolire snacks. So forgive your parents. Okay? Because they gave you what they could give you. But let us just agree, Nangaki, we are all victims. Anybody who came from these big families, it was very painful. Oroche your sister abegete yanga iwoch koboli chiffon chiachire nga ye rarus mama ye otakongolere yanga chi chiffon chiachire babantu bali kwanza tu abwate okoganyoko nene endagera okonyore nyombe yende nkoli bale enswe enkoli bale nyama inubono mwanya korera nyama na hande bono gochugokwania abayiri nalingene nchara sana yabayiri tinganje iri kwenda gukwania abayiri mbugi makyubo bwate yanti otachigokwania mbugi makyubo bwate yanko otachigokwania inki abayiboli bago sikira abana chinyumba nonyega America osikira abana bawo nyumba nga naye byeka na ngina mokolenda abana bali they love you, you are their parents lakini gosikira abana nyumba batamaiti your brothers batamaiti your sisters nga muliko igwana. And even in my parents' case, telling abatali koiwana, they just didn't believe in abana konya goetana na chinyomba. What kind of life wamenyete ahetuta itibana ba obagende barakwani your sister. Bana ba omba maiti chianko. Abana baba gocha koba so bita bacha kunywa maru abandi banywa maliogo. Abandi are going to need therapy. This is real difficult. Marriage doesn't cure lust. If it did, a lot that could exist. Self-control is still required. Lust doesn't care if you're married. No, lust is bad. Lust is very bad. Tigamba tebi na minto. Ekero mokorera abantu bandi toko kole binto ga Facebook wose mokorera binto toko kwana. Don't think we just started. Evaluate yourself and look at your past. Some of us come from very difficult backgrounds. Kyoko survive. Only in a family of 21 menta ba idio menta ba chokoro. My God, when am I leaving this place? Do you understand? And at the time, the parents were giving you the best. Fast forward, I have 4 children. One of my children, Mommy, you should have just had 2. So as we are criticizing the parents, as our children are going to criticize us, be happy for that person. You don't know their journey. Some of us, we were going through such a rough time. Even no because I don't even know. I was singing or chabati. I don't even understand inki totally kogole was chabati. I didn't understand in karota tabwate gari, inki ataletere gari again de tinga, nyago tomgochi tinga. I was a child that used to challenge. And you know one thing that my dad did? He kept records of all the letters. So I used to ask him in letters. I used to during this past holiday, I saw you konya kuomani mama. Why is it? Do you love your wife? Why are you always making noise? I have those letters because I used to tell dad, there is no need on all the time. Why can't you come one day in peace at least? Tata didn't see that because part of the culture you see, so he had love, but the way he expressed love was very painful. When you see people doing things and they're succeeding, when you see me in Miami, celebrate me because my neighbors used to go on vacation and we never went on vacation even one day. When you see me somewhere, my friend, when you see me putting on lipstick, celebrate me. Celebrate people. After they've worked so hard, with their surrounding circumstances. Polygamous families. It is not anybody's fault that your father married the many wives. It is not your fault that your mother became a second wife. Who goes to be a second wife? Why are you going to be a second wife? We are all victims here. And all those siblings of mine who don't want to talk to me, I am not the one who sent Tatangachko Nyoma Bakungu. I am not the one who sent Mamachko Mokungo Kaveri. You understand? Nobody asked to be found in those circumstances. But when you find yourself in those circumstances, you understand? Don't take that very personal. People have struggled. I used to like to eat. I felt like there was not enough food. Let me tell you, it is a weakness. Weakness my fridge is full. I overshop food. endagira nkogore excessively because enalengi nyiwete nde nchara lyoka I could never tindo chinganko yogota nalengi nde nchara lyoka na andi matukane ntaka ndengere nganko kanyabona liriyo mama achire amatanga nyenya kango kakamondi in fact nguika nalengere linga onkubika bonaka akango kakamumunwa ono nchikolengere linga mbara ababande bago chagonsoera Kinko nyenya kango kaka. I was a child. Let me tell you, my mind was racing 1,000 miles an hour. Do you understand? It is so sad that when you see people here, don't think that these people don't have a story. We each have a story. And sometimes it's a painful story. We were waiting to be free so we can have that freedom. We want love. Me, I want somebody to love me, and I want to love somebody. Telling montagne gukora ma Facebook okoletera chi positive negative vibes kerenza. Some of you came from very good homes. You did not experience polygamy. Bali tu abete polygamy tu avere koranche. We have gone through so much koranche, survival for the fittest. Don't come and start abusing me and telling me things because my suffering happened before. And some of you who didn't suffer before, you can suffer later. Once you get your suffering, when God has delivered you from the suffering, you should never go back there abantu bakuchiko koirani. Mbama itie skwali ko tolechai. Mbama itie skwali ko nywero ngoli etabu atskali. Mbama itie skwali ko amanyabwali kwanza ko wamanyabwali. Yani you don't know ko lyo boro ko tolechai. Mbama itimina Matiangi Margaret Matiangi olenge karani. Almost what you ali kongi telie chai for no good reason. Ko go iturugwe chai. Kwamanya kogenda bano nandi gwachi gosomera nganga kiecha yaiteru mamu mino gosomera necha yaiteru kwanya ko choli gwe echa ne karani. Anybody who knows e karani alikoro ku Margaret Matiangi sister ya Matiangi almost what you nero lenge karani yando chibire kwanya go iteru gwe cha it is very hot outside omenya ko tebunga chora nandi alingo mukali aho kolire na maisa mabe Koma ite ngabanda bandu bamine kagoliki ombosongo bakali bakoliye nyama. My God, my friend, I don't owe anybody an apology. I don't owe anybody an explanation. And my biggest regret obonyo ebi ngoko biri anganda abinyenye tendi. I don't see why entali ete ebi ngoko biri. Why would you have chicken ya bana batali koli? How can you explain that? So now I have forwarded to you. Now we are putting them through the same thing. It's called slavery. The next generation. Cut that curse that your parents got themselves into. Na ye chenchi bigoli na ye chenchi bigoli. Tigakonya kwa babuna tatu minonya koma na kile litukonya sauyo. Tiganda aragira enchara na aligia ndiete sana. Gokera abantu. Kero mwana bu monta etire ochire university mogokere tige bitina. Nyasaye oyo.